And we're getting some more breaking news. Mamata Banerjee to appear before Supreme Court today in the West Bengal SIR matter. As per sources, we're learning that Mamata Banerjee is likely to seek permission from the CJI to argue in the case before the Supreme Court. So that's the big update that is coming in. Mamata, through her lawyers, has filed an interim application seeking permission to appear and argue in person over this matter. A pass for entry into the Supreme Court has been issued in Mamata Banerjee's name. So that is the latest that's coming in as far as Mamata Banerjee versus EC battle is concerned. The battle has now reached the top court, and what we're learning as per sources is that Mamata Banerjee, through her lawyers, has filed an interim application seeking permission to appear and argue in person. My colleague Nalini Sharma is now joining us with more details on this. Nalini, what reasons has Mamata Banerjee cited in her application to argue this case herself?
Anjali, as we know, Mamata Banerjee is already the original petitioner in the Article 32 petition that is challenging the SIR process in West Bengal. So it is in that petition that she's filed this interim application. She's stating that she's, as the Chief Minister of West Bengal, as well as the head of the TMC, she is well aware of the facts and circumstances of the case. She's also very well aware of the ground realities that people in West Bengal are facing due to the fact that the SIR process is being carried out in the state. Along with that, she's also stated that she does understand the decorum that needs to be followed in the court during the proceedings, and she has assured the court that she will abide by the decorum. And at the same time, it needs to be remembered that Mamata Banerjee does have a law degree to her name. So she is, even as a petitioner and also on the basis of the law degree, she can argue before the Supreme Court as a petitioner in person, but it will depend on the bench whether or not that permission is granted for her to argue in the case, first of all. And second of all, in case it is, then it might be the first time in history where a sitting chief minister of a state is placing an argument against a constitutional body, because remember, it's the election commission at the other end of this, not the central government or the BJP. So against a constitutional body before the Supreme Court of India. So a lot of fireworks expected today before the Supreme Court. Even if not given permission to argue herself, she will very much be appearing before the Supreme Court. And we know that because an entry pass has already been issued in her name, which is a requirement for her to enter the Supreme Court premises and be present in the courtroom one where this hearing is going to happen. It's the Chief Justice's bench that's going to be hearing it, and all remains to be seen what the Chief Justice's bench now says on Mamata Banerjee's application. Anjali.
So, Nalini, is there a chance that the Supreme Court may allow Mamata Banerjee to argue this matter herself?
Anjali, yes, there are very good chances because, like I stated earlier, she is an original petitioner in the case. She has challenged the entire SIR process through an Article 32 petition before the Supreme Court, asking the Supreme Court to take note of the entire process and to step in as judicial intervention to ensure that no rights of any citizens are being violated during the course of the process. So it's as part of that that she's filed this application. The application essentially is to appear and argue in person in the case. So it remains to be seen. Like I told you, it's up to the discretion of the bench as to whether or not that permission will be granted. But we have seen this happening in several other cases before.
All right, Nalini, do stay with us. We're now being joined by BJP's Rupa Ganguly on the broadcast. Ms. Ganguly, a very good morning to you. So there's a big update that is coming in as far as Mamata Banerjee versus EC battle is concerned. We're learning that Mamata Banerjee has filed an application in the Supreme Court to argue this case herself. How do you look at this development?
See, firstly, I can tell you that this whole facade which she's creating is useless. She has no reason to fight against EC. It's all her people who are handling everything in the state of West Bengal. Her officers, her appointed teachers as BLO and everybody. Secondly, anybody can appeal to the court to be present there and take part as a lawyer. But then she is a drama queen, so she is doing it just to be, floating on the news. She just wants to create news. She knows how to protest, and that's the only thing she knows. She doesn't know how to maintain the law and order in the state. She doesn't know how to help the state grow financially. She knows nothing other than just creating some drama.
So, Ms. Ganguly, some scathing attacks have been made by Mamata Banerjee against the BJP, who says that this SIR process is actually being done at the behest of the BJP, keeping in mind the upcoming elections. And she also claims that many people who are very much alive have been declared dead in this process.
See, how many investigations have been done, honestly? See, I just got to know just 3 days back. 3 people died. One was going to work, as take charge of the BLO and was going to the place where he is supposed to work. So जाते हुए वो मर गए, इसलिए एसआईआर का कसूर है. वो कहीं जा रहे थे BLO का काम करने के लिए, वो वहां गुजर गए जाते हुए, तो ये एसआईआर का फॉल्ट है. उनका और बाकी तबीयत क्या था, कैसा था, कोई जरूरी नहीं है जानना. ऐसे 3 लोगों का घटना दिया गया है एक दिन न्यूज़पेपर में, वो भी फ्रंट पेज में, कि कोई जा रहा था, कोई आ रहा था, कोई कुछ कर रहा था, वो एसआईआर के काम के साथ नियुक्त थे, इसीलिए वो एसआईआर के लिए मर गए. मतलब उनका और कोई इलमेट है कि नहीं है, ये खबर ही नहीं है.
जी.
किस तरह के जो फैला रहे हैं ये लोग, डरावनी घटना कह रहे सब चीज. दिस इज वेरी अनफेयर. हर एक इंसान को जिम्मेदारी के साथ एसआईआर का प्रक्रिया पूरा करना चाहिए.
All right.
ये बीजेपी, टीएमसी, सीपीएम, कांग्रेस, ये सब बीच में नहीं आना चाहिए.
All right, Ms. Rupa Ganguly, thank you for joining us on the broadcast. So that is the big update. The BJP calls it drama of Mamata Banerjee. Remember, Mamata Banerjee has filed an application in the Supreme Court to argue herself in this case against the Election Commission's Special Intensive Revision Exercise.